Hello, I want to plan a nice trip to the beach very soon.
Good morning. I can definitely help you plan a wonderful trip today.
I need to book a long vacation for the second week of July.
July is a perfect time for a sunny holiday near the beautiful sea.
I would like to visit Spain because I love the warm, sunny weather.
Spain is very popular right now. Do you want to go to Barcelona?
Yes, I think Barcelona is a great city for my summer holiday trip.
How many people are traveling with you on this wonderful vacation to Spain?
I am traveling alone, so I just need one single ticket to Barcelona.
That sounds great. Let me check the best flight tickets for you now.
I prefer a morning flight, so I can arrive early in the afternoon.
I have a morning flight that leaves at 9 o'clock. Is that okay?
9 o'clock is perfect. How much does that round-trip flight ticket cost?
The round-trip flight will cost about $350 total.
That price is good for me. Now I need to find a hotel.
Do you want a big hotel right next to the popular public beach?
Yes, I want a quiet hotel room with a beautiful view of the sea.
I know a very nice seaside hotel that has large swimming pools too.
That sounds amazing. Does the hotel price include breakfast in the early morning?
Yes, a delicious breakfast is included every single day of your stay there.
I am very happy to hear that. How much is one night there?
The room costs $120 for one night this July.
I want to stay for 7 nights. What is the final total price?
7 nights will cost you $840 for the hotel.
That is fine. Can you tell me more about the weather in July?
The weather in Barcelona is very hot and always sunny in July, normally.
I am so glad. I really want to swim in the sea every day.
The water will be very warm and perfect for swimming all day long.
Are there many good restaurants near this hotel where I can eat dinner?
Yes, there are many fantastic seafood restaurants right across the street from it.
I love eating fresh fish, so that is perfect for my dinner plans.
You will definitely enjoy the local food. Should I book the hotel now?
Yes, please book the hotel room and the flight ticket for me today.
I need your full name and your email address to make the reservation.
I am sending all my personal data to your email address right now.
Thank you, Emma. I have received your email and am booking the tickets.
That is wonderful. Please send the final travel documents back to my email.
I am sending them now. Please pay using the secure link inside it.
I will pay for the trip with my credit card in a few minutes.
Perfect. If you have any questions, you can always call our travel agency.
Thank you so much for your great help today. Have a good day.
You are very welcome, Emma. Have a wonderful and relaxing trip to Spain.